Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your Polaris RZR XP Turbo. It's going to be the same process for the 2 and the 4-seaters. You should be doing this every 50 hours of runtime. Let's get into it. To get this done, we have a torque wrench, 6mm hex socket, 17mm combo. I'm also going to be using a drain pan, and optionally you can use machine ramps and a creeper to help make the job easier. Now for parts and consumables, we've got contact cleaner and our Tusk 4-stroke oil change kit. This comes with your choice of oil, the oil filter, crush washer, a funnel, and some rubber gloves. Now, if you need an oil change kit or anything else for your machine, you can find that stuff on our website by clicking the link in the description below. The first thing we need to do is start up the machine, and we're gonna let it run for a minute before we turn it off. We're doing this in a well-ventilated area. Next, on the bottom side of your oil pan, we're gonna clean around that drain plug, and I've got my oil pan underneath. Then I'm gonna use that 6mm hex socket to remove it. And as you pull the drain plug, make sure you locate that crush washer. Sometimes they can stick to the oil pan. Next, we're gonna reach in from the driver's side rear wheel well, and the oil filter is going to be on the front side of the engine. Make sure you place a rag underneath that filter, and then I'm using my 17mm combo wrench to loosen it up and remove it. And as you pull it out, just tip it up a little bit to prevent spilling oil. After that, you want to clean the sealing surface. Just wipe it down, apply some fresh oil to the new oil filter O-ring. We're going to thread that on until that O-ring lightly seats against the engine, and then we're going to tighten it down an additional 3/4 of a turn. After that, make sure you clean up any spilled oil, and then we're going to go underneath the machine, replace the crush washer on your drain plug, wipe down the sealing surface, install the drain plug, and torque it to 12 foot-pounds. Then we're going to clean up any oil residue and go to the cargo bed. We can now remove our access panel, remove the oil fill cap. Then we're going to use our funnel and pour in just under 2.5 quarts. Reinstall the oil fill cap, and then run the machine for about a minute. Shut it off, let it sit for about a minute, and then check the oil level on the dipstick. It should be in the safe range between the upper and lower marks. If it's not, you want to add oil until the level is in the upper mark. And when you check this, make sure when you reinstall the dipstick, you need to have it all the way seated in there, then pull it back out. Install the access panel, and you're good to go. The next step is to reset your service reminder. So we're going to make sure the key is on. You can see when we cycle the key, we have that flashing wrench. So to get rid of it, you're going to have to press the mode button to enter the settings menu. And then you can press up or down until you see service hours, and then press the mode button again. And from here, you can reset the hours. So you can increase the hours or decrease the hours. We're just going with that preset though. So I'm gonna go ahead and press and hold mode until we go back to the main screen. So now that we're back at the main screen, I'm gonna cycle the key and just make sure that the service wrench doesn't come up again. And that way we've verified that the service reminder was reset. A quick note with all of this is the oil should be changed out at least every 50 hours of runtime. But there are other service items that should be done at the 25-hour marks. So be sure to reference the maintenance chart in your owner's manual when resetting the reminder. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to change the oil on your Polaris RZR XP Turbo. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you need any parts or accessories for your machine, you can find that stuff on our website by clicking the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free, and if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.